Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, we have completed chapter 13, population, and then we will start now chapter 15, biodiversity and conservation. So, first, what do you mean by biodiversity? Biodiversity means the different types of plants and the animal varieties that are present on the earth are called the biodiversity. And why we conserve the biodiversity? To conserve the natural resources, to conserve the plants, animals, so that we should conserve the biodiversity. In this chapter, we will discuss about the levels of biodiversity, numbers of species present on the earth, patterns of biodiversity, loss of biodiversity, and the biodiversity conservation. So today's our topic is biodiversity and the different levels of biodiversity. Biodiversity is the diversity of the biological organization ranging from cellular macromolecules to biomes. First, Edward Wilson popularized the term biodiversity. There are three levels of biodiversity. So children, you can easily see in this picture. The first is genetic biodiversity. The second is species biodiversity, and the third is ecological biodiversity. The first level of the biodiversity is the genetic biodiversity or the genetic diversity. Children, a single species might show the high diversity at the genetic level over its distributional range is called the genetic diversity. It is shown by the medicinal plant Rauwolfia vomitoria. The Rauwolfia is the genera and the vomitoria is the species of the plant, and shows the genetic variation in the potency and the concentration of the chemical present in them. The active chemical name is reserpine. So you can easily see in this picture the Rauwolfia. Children, we know in India has more than 50,000 different strains of rice and 1,000 varieties of the mango. Some varieties we know in commonly like Kesar, Dasari, Totapuri, Hapus. All mangoes we know easily. Children, the second level of the biodiversity is the species biodiversity. The diversity as the species level is called the species biodiversity. For example, Western Ghats have greater amphibian species diversity than the Eastern Ghats. Children, the third level of the biodiversity is called ecological diversity. At the ecological or the ecosystem level, the biodiversity is called the ecological diversity. It is at the ecosystem level. For example, we can say in India, the desert, rainforest, mangroves, coral reefs, wetland, estuaries, alpine meadows are seen. This is the type of ecological diversity. So children, hope this topic is clear. Today we have discussed about the biodiversity and the three levels of the biodiversity. First is genetic biodiversity, second is species level biodiversity, and the third is ecological level of biodiversity. So thank you children.